You stuck?
Annie, move, you muppet. Annie!
You walking? Hey?
Is that your Shiloh?
And you clever. You can't bring that in here.
You walk over here.
Want to move the bucket?
Good girl, look at you.
The chair's in the way, darling.
Move it round.
There you are.
There you go. Hooray! Just put a lot more weight on it now. Follow her. Annie, go and follow
Go
Millie.
round and round, Arnie.